Attention all film and music fans, West by Southwest is heading back to San Jose. This weekend, the South Bay will host the famous West by Southwest Film and Music Festival at 6 venues across the city. There will be concerts in many downtown locations, including the main stage located at Discovery Meadow. Levi Stadium and the Center for Performing Arts will also host music and film events over the next few days. This event is expected to draw more than 400,000 attendees. San Jose hotels are approaching capacity, and restaurant owners and bars near the venue are preparing for the extra business.
West by Southwest attendees bring electric energy, and I am so excited to see it in the city of San Jose. We are preparing to be open later than usual for those concert goers who are looking for some good food and drinks after the shows.
We spoke with local law enforcement officials, and they've told us there are no credible threats focused on West by Southwest at this time. However, off-camera, officials have noted that given the recent events in New Orleans and Las Vegas, they are operating within a heightened threat landscape. Even if you don't plan to attend any of the concerts or film festivals this weekend, be sure to plan for extra traffic and crowds on public transit. VTA and regional transit partners are expecting record-high ridership numbers between Thursday, January 30th, and Monday, February 3rd.